Guys, Brett with New England Auto and Truck Recyclers. Today we're partnering out a 2012 Ford Explorer, stock number N00841. Vehicle has 111K on it. Good front bumper rebar coming off the vehicle here. Got a good left headlamp, good left front lamp as well. Got a nice grille on here that will be available. Good right headlamp, halogen headlamps on this XLT trim. Got a good right front lamp on here. Looking at a good hood, clean, listed, free of damage, looking excellent, in great shape. Left fender also clean, no damage on there, looking really good. Got a good left knee, complete control arm, spindle, strut, left door mirror power, black cover, turn signal, heated glass, in good condition. Left front door, a couple of minor pings here toward the middle, but overall still looking good. Same with the left rear door, a couple of pings in the middle, but overall door looks awesome, still in great shape. Quarter panel on the left side here, listed free of damage, looking good, very clean. Quarter glass, privacy tint, in great shape also. Complete left rear suspension, in good shape. Non-insurance quality, left tail lamp here, you got a small crack in the lens, but not huge, still in good shape for what it is. Got parts coming off the gate here, good backup camera, good wiper motor, good spoiler off the rear. Good right tail lamp here, good complete right rear suspension, good rear carrier, transfer case, you got all-wheel drive in here. Quarter on the right side, listed clean, no damage on there. Good quarter glass on the right side as well. Right rear door, one small ping, right above the body line there. But overall still looks great. Got a good right front door, clean, listed, no damage, that looks very good. Right door mirror against power, you got a black cover, painted, turn signal, heated. Right knee is complete. That's control arm, spindle, strut. Swinging around here. We're going to take a look at the interior, see what that looks like. Good trims all the way around. We got tan and black. Good master switch here for windows, mirrors. Tan, electric leather seats. Driver's side seats in pretty good shape. You got a little bit of wear here on the edge. Especially on the backrest, but still in good shape. It's not ripped anywhere. Passenger side seat here, non-insurance quality. You got a small tear in the seat, very, very small, but still usable, still pretty good for somebody, but just not insurance quality. Back seat, great shape. Those seats look very good. You do have third row all the way back there. Those seats are super clean. Roof glass, dual pane, complete tracks, motors. Roof bag on the passenger side is intact. Same with the dash bag over there. Got a good clean glove box in the vehicle. Nice 8-inch display. That's in good shape. Same with the control panel. The receiver in here. Got a nice floor shifter. Center console is in good condition as well. Steering column is in excellent shape here. You can take a look at the steering wheel. That comes with the column. Wheel bag is still intact here. You got a good driver's side roof bag. And speedometer is in excellent condition. 111,451 on the engine. The engine runs. I'd say sounds pretty good when you rev it up. I mean, you guys know the drill by now. You got questions? I mean, sales has your answers, just like always. Give those guys a shout. They are going to be more than happy to give you the help you need.